You see, after making my jollof rice this way, I decided I'm going to share this recipe because this old method of making jollof rice still remain the best. This jollof rice tastes as perfect as the Nigeria Smoky party jollof. So stay tuned. I'm going to be giving you every tips you need to know to make a perfect Nigeria jollof rice in this video. All right, so to start, you want to fry onions, garlic, and ginger. This is going to infuse all its flavor into the oil, and of course, it's going to elevate the taste of the jollof rice. Okay, so you want to fry that on a medium high heat. Can you see it's turning golden brown already? And over here, I have 500 grams of tomato paste. Okay, so I'm giving you the weight, the recipe in full in this video. Just watch along, and if you follow this recipe, you're just going to make a perfect Nigeria party jollof. All right, so that is 500 grams of tomato paste, tomato puree. So you want to continue to stir that because you don't want it to get burnt. So stir that until it's getting dry so that all the tangy taste of tomato puree is going to be annulled. So can you see it's been frying, and that is what it is now. So after frying to this level, you want to go in with your blended pepper. That is another 500 grams of blended pepper, guys. So to make your blended pepper, just blend some tomatoes, some tatase, the long cap pepper or bell pepper, red bell pepper, blend them together, cook them until it is well dehydrated like this. I don't want to show you all those steps so that this video will not be too long. Okay, so blend them together just like that, and this is 500 grams. Fry it together in the tomato paste. So go in with some thyme, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of curry. Stir that together as well. You can see that at this point we've not even added any water. So the water you want to go in first with is your meat broth. Okay, so just cook turkey, chicken, beef, whatever meats you like. Season them properly so that you have a rich broth, and then pour them into the things you've been frying. Then you want to use any seasoning of your choice. Here I'm using some Maggi cubes, 4 cubes, then add some salt. All right, so you want to taste if it need an adjustment of seasoning at this point. Can you see it? We want to cover that and bring it into a boil. The next thing we're going to be adding is our rice. That has been boiling now, so it's time to add the washed rice. All right, so add the rice and stir gently again. Stir that together because you want the pepper mixture to be evenly distributed in this recipe. You don't want the pepper to be on one side and then the rice on one side. That way it won't be combined well. So our rice has been cooking for just 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to stir it together gently again. Can you see? You don't need too much water to cook jollof rice. You only need to trap in the heat. That's why I'm covering it with this foil paper. So you want to trap in the heat. It's the heat that is generating inside the food that is going to cook down the jollof rice. If you add excess water, you're going to end up with soggy rice. Okay, so you don't want to add excess water at all. After about 20 minutes, this is what our jollof rice looks like. Okay, now it is almost done. I'm just going to go in and stir that gently. I can see some people putting charcoal inside rice, all in the name of creating a smoky jollof. You don't need that. Don't eat rubbish inside rice. Okay, so the process of cooking this jollof rice alone will make your pot to get burnt beneath just a bit, and that is why it is being always advocated that you should use this stainless steel pan to cook your jollof rice so that it's going to give it that smoky flavor. Okay, I don't even need to like allow it to get burnt again at one point or the other, because it's already burning just beneath, but it's not going to burn throughout anyway. So this is our rice. This is what it come out to be, and it is just as perfect as a party jollof. You can also make this at home if you follow this recipe. Meanwhile, for that 500 gram of tomato paste, 500 gram of blended pepper, I used 7 cups of rice, and this is what it is, guys. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you in my next one.